Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this algebraic problem. So we have the square root of -5 times the square root of -5. And many people actually get this simple problem wrong. So what many people do is they see square root of -5 times the square root of -5, and then they simply just multiply -5 with -5 in the radical. So they go the square root of -5 times the square root of -5, and -5 times -5 is 25. So this would be the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So many people think that 5 is the right answer. However, this is wrong. So the right method is to first rewrite the square root of -5 as the square root of -1 times the square root of 5. And I'm going to do the same thing with this. So this times the square root of -1 times the square root of 5. Now, if you guys know what I is, it's the imaginary number, and it is equal to the square root of -1. So now I'm going to replace all these square root of -1s with I. So now I have I times the square root of 5 times I times the square root of 5. So now we can multiply both i's, so I get I squared times the square root of 5 times 5. Now I squared, well, I is equal to the square root of -1, so I squared would equal -1. And I'm multiplying this with the square root of 5 times 5 is simply just 5. So now I have -1 times 5, which is equal to -5. So -5 is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8.
So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer.